This is a demo to show you guys how the artwork manager works under the action list. So you would open your action list, go to artwork manager, click on artwork manager, and you are able to see every product per line item in their color on one screen. Over here you can add a proof, upload your file, once the file is uploaded, you can save it and then send your proof. The email then goes to the client, and an email will be logged on what proof was sent per line item at what time of the day and to the recipient. Enjoy.